Hey buddies, welcome to my channel Maths Mania. This is Manisha and I'm here to help you all in understanding maths easily. If you have any doubt, comment down or you can DM me on Instagram or Facebook. Link mentioned on the screen and below in details too. Okay, so we started fraction in last video and we studied definition of fraction, how to shade shapes according to fraction and vice versa. Third, how to put fractions on number line. And if you haven't seen this video, the part 1, click the link pop up above and also mentioned below in description. So, today we will start with type of fractions, part 2. Types of fraction. Fraction are of 3 types. First, proper fraction, second, improper fraction, third, mixed fraction. Let's start with proper fraction. The fraction in which numerator is less than denominator is called proper fraction, and it can also be written as like this. We know that fraction is written as fraction equals to numerator upon denominator. It means the number which is above is numerator and the number which is below or down, that is denominator. Some examples of proper fraction are 4 upon 9, 1 upon 5, 3 upon 10, etc. Let's take 4 upon 9. Here 4 is numerator and 9 is denominator, and we know that 4 is less than 9. It means 4 upon 9 is a proper fraction. Likewise, in fractions 1 upon 5 and 3 upon 10, 1 and 3 are numerators and 5 and 10 are denominators. And 1 is less than 5 and 3 is less than 10. So these are also proper fractions. Let's discuss improper fraction. It is the reverse of proper fraction. In this, numerator is more than denominator and it can be written as like this. In proper fraction, the numerator was less than denominator. But in improper fraction, the numerator is more than denominator. That's why it is reverse of proper fraction. Here are some examples: 11 by 7, 9 by 5, etc. Let's take 11 by 7. 11 is numerator, 7 is denominator, and we know that 11 is greater than 7, so this is improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator, so it satisfies the condition of being improper fraction. Same in case of 9 upon 5. Here numerator is 9, which is greater than denominator 5. So this is also improper fraction. Third is mixed fractions. Mixed fraction is combination of whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 4 2 upon 3, 2 1 upon 5, etc. Here you can see there is one number above and one number below and one number between numerator and denominator on the left middle side. The number between numerator and denominator is a whole number. It means it is not in fraction. It means it is complete. And numerator and denominator shows a proper fraction. Let's take example of 4 2 upon 3. Here 4 is a whole number. It means it is not in fraction. It is complete. And 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. As 2 is less than 3, so numerator is less than denominator, so it satisfies the condition of being proper fraction. And the combination of 4 2 upon 3 shows mixed fraction. Likewise, 2 1 upon 5 is a mixed fraction, as 2 is a whole number and 1 upon 5 is a proper fraction, and their combination together makes it a mixed fraction. One thing to note down, that only improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction. We will see how with the help of examples. So let's start. First, we will learn how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. So here we have given an example 3 4 upon 5. We know that this is a mixed fraction and we have to convert it into improper fraction. Like, follow this process. 3 4 upon 5. First, Multiply the denominator 5 with whole number 3 like this. 5 multiplied 3 equals to 15 and add the result 15 with numerator. 15 plus 4 equals to 19 and denominator will be same. So fraction will be 19 upon 5. Let's check what we did here. We multiplied the denominator with a whole number and added the result with numerator. But the denominator didn't change and the result was 19 upon 5. That is improper fraction. So this is how we learned how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Let's take another example. Here 6 9 upon 10. We will multiply 10 with 6. The result will be 60 and we will add the result with numerator, that is 60 plus 9, that is 69, and the denominator will be same, that is 10. So the improper fraction will be 69 upon 10. I hope we have learned how to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now we can get questions like to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. So let's take an example of 7 upon 2. First, divide the numerator with denominator. Here numerator is 7 and denominator is 2. Let's divide 7 by 2. When we divide 7 by 2, the result will be like this. Here 7 is dividend, 2 is divisor, 1 is remainder and 3 is quotient. You guys must learn these terms. What is dividend, what is divisor, what is remainder and what is quotient. If you get confused in this, you will get the answer wrong. So we have to put the quotient, remainder and divisor like this. Learn this formula: quotient remainder upon divisor. It means here quotient is 3, remainder is 1 and divisor is 2, and we will write this as 3 1 upon 2, as quotient is a whole number, r is remainder, that is 1, and d is divisor, that is 2. Some people learn this by this way, but I have another trick which I use. Okay, when we divide 7 by 2, we will get this result. We have to spin the numbers in anti-clockwise like this. Drag the number 3 to the left hand side in place of 2, then drag the number 2 to the place of 1 and drag the number 1 to the place of 3 like this, and you will get the result 3 1 upon 2. Isn't it easy? Let's try another example of 81 upon 5. First divide 81 by 5 like this, and when we do this we will get the results: remainder 1, divisor 5, quotient 16, and we know the formula Q R upon D. Q is 16, R is 1 and divisor is 5, that is 16 1 upon 5. Or we can say that spin the numbers in anti-clockwise and we will get the result like 1, 16 and 5. Here you can see that denominator didn't change and got the same results. So now we know how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction and mixed fraction into improper fractions. So I am giving you little homework to practice. Here some fractions are given on screen and you have to convert them into another fractions. Hey guys, I hope you have learned the fraction, and we will learn more about fraction like unlike fraction, equivalent fraction and some question and answer round in next videos. If you have any query, DM me on Instagram or Facebook, link mentioned below in description. Don't forget to answer the question in comments. Till then, bye bye, take care, do like the video, share, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching Maths Mania.